I found a bomb in my basement and I cried. I remembered years ago, in time when NATO and those foreign planes full of death, and the reapers gathered the souls of civilians. Kids flied away, but somewhere in the far west, fat generals was feasting in tight uniforms, and the savor smelled of carrion, and their souls, oh, their souls was empty and rotten, like teeth of a witch. While the kids played in the sand, in the soil, and they tried to reach with little dead hands a little love, just a little piece of love.